Now we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the every method. It can be used to check all elements in an array. Let me first print out our array here, just a couple of numbers, nothing spectacular. Let's say we want to check if all the numbers are bigger than 10. We'll define a new variable. Let me just call it check. We want to print that out afterwards. And now we'll apply to our array ARR the every method. And inside we'll define a function to check. We make that element, elem, and then elem bigger 10. And again, I made the typo here. It's obviously elem. And you can see it's true, but if I add the number 9, it's going to be false. So it checks every single element. And if there's only one that isn't true, we'll get false. Then we make that bigger than 8 and it becomes true again. On this, I can use the every method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.